Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Hi everyone, myself Divya of AUPS Eruvantala North Nellaya is before you to say a few words about a great Mahatma Gandhi on this occasion of his birth anniversary. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi or Mahatma Gandhi was born on October 2nd, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. This year will mark Gandhi's 152nd birth anniversary. Let us remember the Mahatma who shook the world in a gentle way. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on October 2nd every year to mark the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi and also to pay a tribute to him who devoted his life to India's independence by using his strong weapon, non-violence. It is observed across states and territories in India and is one of the officially declared national holidays. On this day, cleanliness is given much importance and a week celebration is organized on this regard. On this day, people celebrate with prayer services, commemorative ceremonies, and cultural events that are held in schools, colleges, local government, and socio-political institutions. The statues of Mahatma Gandhi are decorated with garlands and flowers. His birth anniversary is celebrated in other parts of the world with great fervor. People honor Gandhi's contributions towards the Indian independence movement and his non-violent way of life. He led the Dandi March in 1930. In 1942, he launched the Quit India movement. Quit India was a call to Britishers to leave India and go. He has worked hard to achieve Swaraj, to empower women's rights, to develop the economic conditions of farmers and many more. He was also instrumental in abolishing the age-old practice of untouchability. Because of his struggle for India's independence, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose gave him the name of Father of the Nation. Also, sometimes we call him Bapu affectionately. The President and Prime Minister of India pay homage at Rajghat, the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi in New Delhi, by offering flowers to his Samadhi. Also, his favorite song Raghupati Raghav Rajaram is sung for him. On June 15, 2007, the UN General Assembly adopted a resolution that declared October 2nd as International Day of Non-Violence. The resolution reaffirmed the universal relevance of the principle of non-violence and the desire to secure a culture of peace, tolerance, understanding and non-violence. On 31st January 1948, Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated by a Hindu nationalist, Nathuram Godse, who was also a member of Hindu Mahasabha. The whole of the country mourned and was full of sorrow. Let us remember him today and always and celebrate this day holding on to truth and ahimsa. His life was an inspiration for all of us and the sacrifices he made are our responsibilities to carry forward. Let us contribute ourselves to the growth and development of our country. Do not waste the efforts and struggles of our great freedom fighters by letting India go down. Our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, has started Swachh Bharat Abhiyan to maintain the cleanliness of our society on this very important day. Gandhiji, being such a great leader, preferred to wear khadi clothes and followed the old traditional culture of India. For him, a man is but a product of his thoughts. This year, in his address at the 81st episode of his monthly radio program Mann Ki Baat, which came on the heels of his 3-day visit to United States, Sri Modi urges people to buy khadi products to mark Gandhi Jayanti. He remembered the contribution of Gandhi to the cleanliness movement and said, Mahatma Gandhi had associated cleanliness with the dream of independence. Words are not enough to speak about Gandhi's values and deeds. The future depends on what we do in the present. We, as the future of the country, can honor him by living our life with his principles of cleanliness, truth, peace, and non-violence, and let's lead our country to an incredible India. As we are going through a tough situation with this COVID pandemic, it makes us realize the importance of personal hygiene, cleanliness in and around us. May the spirit of cleanliness, truth, and non-violence be with us this Gandhi Jayanti. Jai Hind.